Hi there, this is DTEX for SNTron and Amy James for Team Tex. Our entry to Node Knockout this year is apimon. It's an API monitor, runs as a service. It monitors APIs that serve up JSON. Instead of validating the responses from those APIs with regex, we use a JSON fingerprint, so that gives you a little more flexibility and power when creating your tests to make sure that the API response is what you expect it to be. We handle login with GitHub OAuth. And when you first create an account, it's going to set up these 3 samples for you. They'll be created, but they are uniquely yours. So you can go in and delete them or modify them or please add your own and play around with it there. The 3 examples that I have here, one's a working sample, one's an invalid sample, which means the response is returned, but it doesn't have the data we're looking for. And then the third one's a 404. So you can see we've got our little color codes, and it tells you what's going on with response. Let's dive into this working one real quick. You can see a graph of response times over time. So I can see the last, this is only about 15 minutes worth, but I can see the different response times that we've had. This is that fingerprint I was talking about. We're looking for, inside the returned object, we're looking for an object called search tweets with a child of results, with a child of statuses. And if that's not there, we're going to say that this response was invalid. Here's our invalid sample. I can scroll down. I am getting responses, so I do see responses, but I have no object with this name. So that's why we're not seeing anything there. Now jump back to my list. Adding a new API is pretty straightforward. You just give it a name, a URL, a description, a frequency. Please don't go below 5,000. And you don't have to have a validator, but if you want to put one in, this is where it goes. Have fun. Thank you.